we had those highs earlier in the week. On that brings us to yesterday, and yesterday was an interesting day because yesterday was the first signs that you could have had of the trouble that we had today with China. Right, essentially, China raised export restrictions for some of their rare earth elements. And if you've been following the narrative, we're very sensitive, the US, that is, very sensitive to these rare earth elements. And China is one of the dominant producers of that, right? So a lot of the negotiations that have been happening between the administration and China were around those rare earth elements. And so now China sort of is making moves to show that they may be pulling back. Really, honestly, that was viewed as, a sort of a posturing. As we come to this end of this 90-day grace period, which ends next month in November, a month from today, you see a lot of jockeying happening, right? So that yesterday was sort of viewed as China sort of jockeying. They also are announcing some more potential restrictions on chip imports, right? Importing to China. So that impacts the semiconductor market that is very dominant in our market. So, we had that. And so that caused a bit of a pullback. And that was like the first sign of trouble, right? Today, that trouble came back around, as I said earlier, as Trump fired back saying, oh, well, they may find themselves back at 145% tariff. Well, markets obviously didn't like that. Markets right now, we're very near the close, are trading right near the day lows. When I say markets, I'm referring to the S&P 500 that is trading off.